ka jingsngokya ha kalyang ka jingshngain kalanang jor hadien ba we urang ba sipai ubala kam baki sipai nong siu bala jong ka US ba Ukraine kilala bandon jingïadei bat ki kinhun kiang aktiar ki ba trekam ha Myanmar kani ka jingja kala ban kta ruya ka jilla ka than la mi kinthop ya Manipur ki jingyo jingtep ki penpau bala ban ya thu ba ki tiar drone bat ki jinghi kai ki la bandon kat ba nyongot ki kinong weri ki dangdan ha ka jingbet jong kapor sarkar ka jing toket kadang ya chakman.
These people, they visited Manipur and apparently were in contact with breakaway groups in Manipur and in Myanmar. The apparent aim was to supply the breakaway groups in Myanmar with the drone and drone components, batteries, chargers, and train the Myanmar separatist groups to operate these drones. These separatist groups will operate not only against a Burmese junta, but also against the state of India. Their ultimate aim could have been to give boost to insurgency in northeast India, especially in Manipur. Manipur has been in news of late due to certain internal strifes, internal fight between various ethnic groups. So government of India has put these people in jail for next 11 days. In this 11 days, they will be in judicial custody, and after that, if any blame or any technical error is found against them, then they may be sent on a police remand. Government of India has informed the embassy of Ukraine and US embassy in Delhi details of these individuals and has requested the motive behind this US citizen and these Ukrainians, their motive, why they have visited Manipur without clearance from Government of India Home Ministry. A suitable response from US Embassy and a Ukrainian Embassy is still awaited.